Let us start. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara few times. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Inhale. Repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjalim Pranatosmi Nityam Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Take both hands behind your back. Hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward. Pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God, and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. I request all of you to switch on your videos. Please switch on your videos. Okay. Okay. All right. So, if you have any questions on any asana or what we are doing, please ask. We can go through that. Do you have any questions? Anybody has any questions? What we are doing daily? Any questions on that? No questions? Everything is fine?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what do we do? There are no questions. What we can do? Namaste. Who is this?
Samir.
Samir. Yes, Samir. Tell me.
I would like to know the list of the ones that we have already completed so that I can take that up in my other time and practice. So I don't know what names of all the asanas done. So if you can give me the names what we have covered, I will do one by one in my evening time or some other time when I find time so that I can practice it again and again. Is there the list is there, or what you are planning to complete every month, every week, or something like that?
See, asanas we have not done many. What we have done is
warm-up exercises, and
we have done warm-up exercises. We have done Surya Namaskars.
right.
Surya Namaskar asanas I have already told you, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. And the
Pranayam.
Danda Vyayam, I have already told you the names of Danda Vyayam, right? Danda Vyayam, you know the names. Danda Baitak also, I have told you the names. Now, while doing the asanas, I have told you the names of the asanas also. Bhujangasana, you know?
Yeah, Bhujangasana, yes.
Shalabhasana, you know?
Yes, sir. Shalabhasana, yeah.
Shalabhasana, you know. Then...
names are enough. Names are enough. The rest I can practice.
Okay, I'll send in the WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us do few asanas one by one so that we can see how others are doing. Okay. So, can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. So, let us do Virabhadrasana. Just watch me and then you can do. Okay. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meters apart. Turn your right feet towards the right side. You can slightly turn your left feet towards either front or 45 degrees. Now, your body is facing front. Bend your right knee so that right knee is in line with your right toe. Body facing front. Take your hands horizontal. Turn your head towards right side and look over your right hand. Now, you are not falling front or you are not falling back. One line. Okay. The left leg is straight. Keep your spine straight and look over your right hand towards infinity. Okay. Both the hands parallel to the ground. All right. Come back. All right. So let us see how you guys are doing. One by one. Okay, let me see how you guys are doing. All right. Adjust your cameras properly. Okay. Okay. Satish, you first come back to the position. Separate out your legs 1 to 1.5 meters apart. So, some more. One by one we will do. Okay, everybody come back to normal position. I will see one by one. Let us start with Satish. Okay. Now turn your right feet. Bend your right knee.
Camera work ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Okay. Now your body is not facing front. Your body is body. You have to now turn your head towards right side.
Camera ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಇದು video? Sorry.
Okay, fine. You can still dip further. Body straighten. Okay, all right. Now, do you feel?
ಬರಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ?
Hello.
Sir.
Done na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashwini ji, you try now. You do left side. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah. Still further down you can go. Now you can feel the yes. That you should feel that. Yeah. Now holding that, your body will shake. Right? That's how it should be. Okay, come back. Okay, fine. All right, that's how you should do. Okay, Padma ji, you do that. Padma ji, you do that. Dip further. Okay, you feel the tension in the thigh, left thigh. Yes, body is shaking. Okay, dip further. Do it properly. Okay, fine. Come back. Okay, Pallavi ji, how about you? Right. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Okay. Okay, fine. Come back. Okay. Kamala ji, how about you? Okay. Good. Okay. Come back. Okay. So is there tension in the right thigh and yeah, right. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Shashikala ji, how about you? Further, madam. Legs should be further apart. Further. Now you turn your right leg to the right side. Body should be facing front. Okay. Dip further. Take your left leg further back. Further. However much you can take. As much as you can. Now you dip. Bend your right knee. Dip it further. Yes. Now you feel the right thigh is in tension. Okay, fine. Yeah, come back. Okay. How come both of you are Ashwini Adarsh? It should be Samir. Your name is showing as Ashwini Adarsh here. There are two Ashwini Adarsh.
Unmute sound ilva?
Okay. So
by mute ಅಂದ್ರೆ sound ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
They have to change their name, sir. They can do that. Display name. They have to change it.
no, but he must have given his name, right?
Sound on ಆದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ?
How come it's a Zoom bug, I think?
Maybe, sir, that day, one day I shared the link which was sent to me in the group. If he has joined from that link, maybe my name is displaying.
No, when
I
he
think.
joined, his name was Samir only.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, Samir, do it properly. No, your head should be turned towards left side now. If your left leg bent, head should be on the left side. Okay? And is your right knee bent or straight? Don't bend your right knee. Bend your left knee. Okay? Dip further. Your thigh should pain and body should shake. Okay, come back. Come back, come back. Okay, that's how you should do with. Okay, Rishabh, where is your video? Rishabh, your video is not there. Let us try to do Virabhadrasana. Separate out your legs. Further. 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 1 to 1.5 meter apart you should do. Further. Further, yes. Now take your hands horizontal. Bend your left knee. Don't bend forward your body. From the waist, it should be straight. From waist up, it should be straight. See, like this. See what you are doing. You are bending forward like this. Don't bend forward like this. Body should be straight. Okay? Okay. All right, come back. Now, who else? Ashley, where is your video?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I had some problem. I just joined in. Give me a couple of minutes.
Okay. All right. So, any other question on Virabhadrasana? So, Virabhadrasana, everybody are comfortable?
Sir, you can also tell us the benefits of a particular asanas.
Okay, benefits of asanas I will send in WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, Virabhadrasana, this is type 1. First type of doing Virabhadrasana. Now we will do Virabhadrasana type 2. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Turn your right feet towards right side. Okay. Now turn your body towards right side. Body towards right side. Bend your right knee as much as you can so that right knee is in line with right toes. Take your hands above your head, put namaskara. You can bend your body backwards. come back. Okay. One by one we will do. Properly you do that. Okay. Padma ji, let us try to see how you will do. Don't bend your left knee. That is lunge, the lunge forward. Don't bend your left knee. Yeah. Right knee you bend further. Don't raise your left heel. Okay. Hold the position. Do it properly. You are not bending your right knee as much as is needed. Yeah. You should feel the tension in the body. You should feel the shaking will come. It should be there. Okay. All right. Come back. Okay. Fine. Ashwini ji, let us try to see how you are doing. Okay. All right. Fine. Now you see. Okay. Fine. Come back. Now you see how it is done. Okay. Satish. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Satish, you are doing correctly only. Come back. Kamala ji. Okay, fine. Bend your right knee further. Okay. Bend your back backwards. Okay, fine. Okay. Do you feel challenge in doing this? Or is it easy?
Legs are shivering, sir.
Legs are sore. Okay, fine. Shashikala ji, how about you? Shashikala ji, you have to take your legs further. Like that. You should feel the tension in the right thigh and the left thigh should be stretched. Back should be dip as much as you can. Okay, fine. Come back. Okay. Samir. Samir, not like that. Okay. Let us start from the beginning. Come back. Separate out your legs as much as you can. Turn your right feet to the right side. Turn your body to the right side. Head towards right side, not to right shoulder. Look to your wall in front of you. In front of you. To the right knee, towards right knee. Okay. Extend your hands up. Okay, you are not doing rightly, Samir. Come back. I'll tell you again. I'll do it. See, take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Okay. Then turn your right feet towards the right side. Turn your body towards right side. Bend your knee as much as you can. Take your hands above your head and try to bend backwards. Come back. Okay. You are doing Fine. Okay, come back. Right. Come back. Okay. Pallavi ji, how about you? Okay. All right. All right. Come back. This is Virabhadrasana type 2. Come back. Ashley. Okay. All right. Come back. Okay. Now who is there? Rishabh. Rishabh, where is your video? Why you are switching off your video? Rishabh? Pramod ji, let us see how you are doing. Okay, bend backwards. No. Like that only. Bend your knee, bend backwards. Yeah, right. Okay. Hold the position. Hold the position. Hold the position. Stay in the position. Okay. Come back. Rishabh, where is your video? Yeah. Try to do Virabhadrasana type 2. Just now what we did. You didn't see? Okay, I'll do again so that you see and then you try to do that. Or if others can do, everybody do Virabhadrasana type 2. Rishabh will see and he will do that. Okay, Rishabh, now you do. Rishabh, your video is not fine because I cannot see it. Somehow you have to give some distance between camera and where you are doing. Okay, there should do it step by step, Rishabh. Don't do everything together. First, you separate out your legs. First, you separate out your legs 1 to 1.5 meters apart. Separate out your legs. Stretch. Separate out your legs further. Okay. Right. Now, turn your left feet towards left side. Okay. Now, don't fall forward. Okay. Now, turn your body towards left side. Okay. Bend your left knee further as much as you can so that left knee is in line with left toes. Take your both the hands upwards. Put namaskara. Bend backwards. Okay. Body should stretch. Okay. Fine. Okay, come back. Okay, come back. All right. So do on the other side. Balakrishna ji, your video is not there, so I cannot correct you.
Camera.
I hope you are following the other videos and following. Okay. Okay, Virabhadrasana type 2. Okay. So now we will do type 3. Now, keep your left foot forward. Keep your weight on the left foot. Rise your right leg up. Take your hands horizontal. and raise your right leg up, body bent forward. Balance yourself on the left feet. Left feet will be on your left feet. Balance yourself. Come back. Now let us do how you are doing. You can slightly bend your left feet. Okay, Ashwini ji, let us try to do. Okay, balance yourself. Okay. Satish, you are doing fine. Ashwini ji, you are doing fine. Now you practice both the legs. Okay. Kamala ji, try to do. Okay, balance yourself properly. Okay. Do up to 10 counts or 20 counts. Samir, how about you? Okay, fine, you got. Okay, balance yourself. Balance. Pallavi ji. Okay, okay. Pramod. Pallavi ji, how you are doing? I didn't see you how you are doing. Not that way. Hands should be horizontal. Hands should be horizontal, not front. Horizontal. Correct. Correct. Okay. Pramod ji, how about you? Okay. Good enough. Bend forward further. Further. Okay. Fine. Rishabh. Okay. Okay, Rishabh. Fine. Try. Hold the position for 10 counts and come back. Padma ji, how about you? Okay. Fine. Hold it for 10 counts. Balance yourself properly. 20 counts you hold and come back. Breathe in, breathe out normally. Shishkala ji, how about you? Okay. Okay. Bend forward further. Rise your right leg up. Further up. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Come back. Ashley, how about you? Ashley, you are doing a different asana. Everybody are doing type 3. You are doing a different asana. See others how they are doing. What I told you. Hello, Ashley. Do the asana properly. Bend forward. Bend forward. Bend forward. Further. Like that. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Left leg will be shaking. Balance on your left leg. Okay. Now you do on the right leg also. Okay. Come back. Okay. All right. So now we will do the Virabhadrasana type 4. Now in this, what Pallaviji was doing some time back. Keep your any of the leg forward. Put your weight on the leg. Now raise your other leg up and hands in front. Bend forward. Head down. Head at the hand level. Okay, come back. Hands in front, Namaskara Mudra. Okay, Ashwini ji, try. Put Namaskara with your hand in front. Okay, fine. Okay, hold it for 20 count and come back and do the other leg. Satish, do properly. Okay. Satish, you got the picture, right? You know how to do. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Try to do properly. Kamala ji, try. Okay, fine, Kamala ji. You are doing properly. Samir. Okay, Samir, you are struggling. Hold it. Do it properly. Okay. Fine. Try. Keep trying.
Yeah.
Pallavi ji, let us see how you are doing. Okay. All right. Come back. Okay. Try the other leg also. Other side. Okay. Pramod ji, try. Bend forward. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Do it both sides. 20 counts you try to do. Okay. Rishabh, let us see how you are doing. Okay. See. Fine. Good. Keep it. Hold it for 20 count. Slowly count 20. Hold it. And then do the other leg. Okay. Padma ji, how about you? Okay. All right. Hold it for 20 counts and then come back. Okay. Shashikala ji, how about you? Put Namaskara with the hands. Yes. Raise your right leg up. Okay. Bend forward. Bend forward further. Yeah. Body should be parallel to the ground and right leg should be up. Further up. Okay. Fine. Okay. Come back. Ashley, how about you? Bend forward further. Okay. Fine. Hold it for 20 count and then do this one. Okay. All right. Come back. Okay. Anybody has any questions? Okay. Now we will do Trikonasana. Trikonasana. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Now, if you are doing right side, turn your right feet towards right side. Keep your body facing front. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale. Bend laterally from the waist towards right feet. Touch the right feet with right hand. Take your left hand above your head. Turn your head towards the left hand. Look at the upturned left hand. come back. Okay. Let us try to do one by one. Okay. Fine, Ashwini ji, you are doing fine. Satish, start from the beginning. Okay, okay. You have to take your legs further. Okay, okay, fine. Now you do. Your left feet should be turned towards left side. Okay. All right. Okay, fine. Kamala ji. Okay, you have, I think you have bent your right knee. Don't bend your right knee. Okay, fine. Okay. Samir. Okay. Samir, you have any questions? Okay. Pallavi ji. Okay, fine. Pramod ji, how about you? What happened? Okay. Okay. Pramod ji, you are bending forward, falling forward. Don't fall forward. Lateral bend. Okay, fine. Rishabh, try to do. Rishabh, you have to come back, come back. Separate out your legs properly. Further, that is not sufficient. Further. Now you turn your left feet to the left side. Your body straight. Take your hands horizontal. Step by step you have to do. Now you bend to the left side. Correct. Yeah. Okay, fine. Padma ji, try to do. Okay, you are bending your right knee. Don't bend your right knee. Okay, fine. All right, come back. Shishkala ji, how about you? Okay. All right, fine. Okay, Ashley. Okay, fine. Okay. Anybody has any question? No question? Okay. This is called Trikonasana, triangle posture. Okay, now we will do Parivruta Trikonasana. Parivruta Trikonasana. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Turn your left feet towards left side. Take your hands horizontal. Bend forward. Twist to the left side. Take your right palm near your left feet. Touch your left feet with right palm. Take your left hand above your head. Turn your head towards the left side. Look at the upturned left hand. Come back. Straighten. Okay. Let us do step by step. Okay. All right. Ashwini ji, you are doing fine. Try to keep your left hand outside of your right feet. Okay. Or on the right feet, whichever is fine. Okay. Samir, Satish. Satish, come back. Stand straight. Okay. Come, separate out your legs. Take your hands horizontal. bend forward further. Okay, now twist. Okay, fine. Samir, how about you? Come to Sthiti. Stand up. Wait. I'm giving instructions. Wait, don't do like that. Stand, separate out your legs. Take your hands horizontal. Bend forward. Bend forward. Bend forward first. First bend forward. Further. Now twist. Now touch your right feet with left palm. Okay, fine. Hold it for 20 count and do the other side also. Pallavi ji, how about you? Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. No. Not like that. Okay. Bend forward. Bend forward further. No. Bend forward further. Now twist. Like that. Okay, fine. Do it the other side. Pramod ji, take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Bend forward. Twist now, twist. Okay, fine. Hold it for 20 count and then do the other side. Rishabh, how about you? Where are you, Rishabh? Okay. Now separate out your legs. Further. Okay. Now take your hands horizontal. Bend forward. Twist. Okay. Look, turn your head towards left side. Look at the upturned left hand. Okay. All right. Come back. Come back as you have gone. Padma ji, how about you? Bend forward. Twist. Turn your head to the left side and look at the upturned left hand. Head towards the left side. Turn your head over your left shoulder and look at the upturned left hand. Okay. Okay, fine. Come back. Shashikala ji. Bend forward. Turn. Okay. Fine. Hold it for 20 count and then do the other side. Ashley. Okay. All right. Hold it for 20 count and then do the other side. Kamala ji. Okay. Okay. Fine. Come back. Fine. Any questions?
Sir, is it normal breathing when we are in this posture?
Normal
breathing, is it, while we are in the posture?
See, in any final posture, breathing is normal. When going into the posture, you do the breathe in and breathe out. Okay? But in the final posture, you should always breathe normally. Okay? All right. Okay. So anybody has any questions, any observations, anything you want to share?
I think we need to practice more, sir. Legs pain when we do for more than 20 seconds, 30 counts. Legs start paining. So we have to practice more, I think.
Every day, how are you doing when we are doing something? Are you doing
20 counts?
20 counts. Okay. Actually, you have to do for 60 count. 1 minute you have to be in the posture.
We'll go there, sir. Finally, we'll go there, I guess.
At least 1 to 2 minutes you have to be in the posture.
Oh my God.
Okay, slowly you have to get into the final posture and you have to stay there for 1 to 2 minutes. Body will start shaking. The muscles.
Balancing sometimes I think tends to kind of shake.
Yeah.
I have to.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now what do we do? Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay, we will stop here. Enough for today. If you have any questions on anything, you can ask me. When you are doing any yogasanas, do it with awareness. Okay? What is happening in the body? What changes is happening? How it is? Please be aware while doing the yogasanas. Okay? All right. Okay. So today is correction session. We have done that. Okay. So now let us close the session. Put Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Repeat after me. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Fold your hands, pray to God. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shivaswarupi. Shivoham. 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 Rub your palms, generate heat, make a cup shape, put it on your eyes, give warmth to the eyes, with few blinks, open your eyes. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.